Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. So to do that, open your Snapchat application, then tap search, then tap the profile do you want to screenshot to, then make a screenshot. So to avoid sending them message about what did you do, here's what you do to Snapchat. Google will help you to do that. So, hey Google, take a screenshot. And that's it. That's how to screenshot on Snapchat without them knowing. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.